Why do you always feel nervous when passing another vehicle? It's usually because you're not yet comfortable judging distance and vehicle position. Here are some simple reference points that can help you estimate clearance more confidently while driving. When passing another vehicle on a narrow road, pay attention to the angle of the A-pillar. If you can still see the oncoming vehicle's headlight through that reference point, there is usually enough space to pass safely. On the right side, you can use the wiper arm joint as a guide. If an imaginary line extending from that point aligns with the bottom of the other vehicle, you generally have enough clearance to proceed. When turning and a vehicle is blocking the way ahead, back up slightly. Once you can see the underside of the vehicle in front, turn the steering wheel fully to help avoid it more safely. During parallel parking, if the front of your car completely covers the bumper of the vehicle ahead from your driving position, it is usually a safe place to stop. If you need to pull out, reverse a little farther until the front of your hood is below the midpoint of the rear bumper of the car ahead, then turn the steering wheel fully to exit in one smooth maneuver. When turning near a curb, wait until the front edge of your hood appears aligned with the bottom of the curb from your viewpoint, then turn the steering wheel fully. This can help reduce the risk of scraping the curb. If pedestrians are walking beside your vehicle and the bottom of your A-pillar appears lower than their hip level, there is generally enough space to pass safely. If a pedestrian is behind your vehicle, check the side mirror. When the front door handle aligns with the person's feet in the mirror, the distance is typically around 40 to 50 centimeters.